Adrian and Father Eras.
They don't hear you
And
yet.
he could choose his own members. There it is. It's Flor, Nenita, John Navarro. Portia would be more the Iván, and Excel Torres. Excel cannot be All will be Grace, Sherry. Who's this pen? I forgot.
All been for?
Your name is I forgot.
Divided by 10.
Ay, sino naman ako? Oh, here. The members of the
On a Friday. Talaga namang talsal na great.
Oo.
And then
Sana na po.
now we have to split in a way that this is the
Oh, there you go. Please sign attendance.
for the liturgical we have already decided to be 12:30. The only problem we have is 12:30. The 11:30 mass is not finished. Usually they're finished by 12:45.
Late na natatapos. According to Father Mag is going to do the 11:30 mass. So, he'll finish fast. So, he'll empty the parking lot by 12:30.
We'll finish at 12:15.
That's what he said. He's definite about that.
Let him listen.
He's gonna say, eating.
Oh my God.
No.
Okay, guarantee the math will end at 12.
Okay. That's
Parking lot empty by 12:30.
okay.
Guaranteed.
We don't have any reserve space. We have no. We are the guests and we have to walk.
Also, keep in mind it's Memorial Day weekend, so probably a lot of people will be out of town.
So we didn't have audience.
So we may not know all audience.
Doing everything in the audience.
Okay, here we go. Mr. Zalba, share this with your members.
Ano yan?
For the, you have to talk about what we did and make sure that sidewalk and everything is served. And then okay, which side are you going to be?
You go there.
You'll be in the front.
Ate, doon kami ha? Doon kami sa container. Kayo kuya. Okay lang.
Dito ako.
Konti lang kami natin. Okay.
Melba.
Come on guys, get to work.
Yeah, Father. You have
Okay, Father.
Oh, that's right, you're sticking out.
Sorry.
That's because they're discussing the party.
How we are going to
That's all, yeah.
make sure that we
I think you're the church, that's why. You're the holy people in life. Oh, you're with the hall guys?
you need to be.
Oh, you're over here. You guys over here. Party people over here. Hall.
No,
Who's
we're-
hall? This is hall. Oh, then you guys go over there. Okay, you guys. Okay. Okay. All job is real simple. No party.
So what are we there?
You are with them.